Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is a MacVoices briefing on the bicolor LED video light stand lighting kit by Dazzne. One of the best and easiest things you can do to improve your video projects is to have good, adequate, controllable light. For years, I'd been using a set of soft light boxes that were fine, but they had some definite disadvantages, and LEDs have come down so much in price that I decided to give them a try. Some of the advantages I was looking for were something to take up a lot less space because the soft boxes were rather large. I also wanted something that would generate a little less heat since I am in a basically relatively small room to record MacVoices. And I was also looking for a lot more control over my lights, not only from the brightness and for the temperature as well. And what I found was that the Dazzne ticked all those boxes and seemed to be the answer that I was looking for. What you get with the Dazzne are two 15.4-inch light panels and two stands that can be adjusted from 28 inches to 49 inches. The panels on the stand adjust from 0 to 90 degrees, so you can angle them to suit your needs. The panels can be used with either the included power cables, as I use them, or NF series batteries, which are not included, but would be perfect for outdoor or video shoots where power isn't easily available. Even better, you can group up to 6 panels in a master-slave configuration, so one panel can control all the others. You can even get an optional remote to control the brightness and temperature. In use, they don't have to be reset each time you turn them on. They remember their last setting, which helps assist in keeping a uniform look without adjustments having to be made each time. Maybe the best way to give you an idea of what these lights can do is to show you a little demo video that I did a little while back. To give you an idea of what these lights can do, I've got 2 of the panels mounted on stands in front of me. They're about 6 feet high and probably about 3 to 4 feet away from me. And usually I have them set this way for interviews at brightness of 27% and temperature of 5700K. So let's start with the brightness. Again, we're starting at 27%, which is my normal setting. We'll take it the whole way down to 1. So you can definitely see a change there now. The camera may be making some adjustments, and it may not be quite as dark as it appears to me, simply because you're seeing a lot of light thrown off of the iMac screen that is in front of me. So let's now take it up to 100%. Okay, so at 100%, this is not, I wouldn't want these lights shining in my eyes for very long doing the interview, but that's how much there is. And again, that's 2 panels, one on either side, so you're getting a pretty good fill. Now we'll take it back down to the normal 27%. And now we'll change the temperature. The temperature I usually set at is 5700. It notches up to 5800, so we'll kick it up to 58. You may or may not have been able to see that. Now we'll take it the whole way down to the lower end of 3000K. So you have a much, much warmer light that you can get, again, assuming that the camera is not doing adjustments and the iMac screen is not interfering too much. So that's the kind of range of effects that you can get from these lights. And again, there are 2 of them, and now we will take it back up to the normal 57 with the brightness remaining at 27%. And hopefully you should be back to seeing what I normally look like. Whatever you're looking to do online, you can build it on Linode. But not just build it, provision, secure, monitor, and back it up too. Linode is a full-service hosting operation with 10 data centers around the world, with their newest in Toronto now open, and the next coming in Mumbai by the end of the year. And Linode isn't just a hosting operation, they are a world-class hosting operation, with SSD storage, a 40 gigabit network, and industry-leading processors powering their servers. If you know what you want, you can dig right in. Or you can let Linode do some of the setup for you with their easy one-click installs of a variety of servers. Find out what Linode can do for you by visiting linode.com/MacVoices and using the offer code MacVoices2019 to get $20 off your first purchase. That's linode.com/MacVoices and the code MacVoices2019 to take $20 off your first server. It won't be your last. Thanks to Linode for their support of MacVoices. This kit, which includes 2 light panels and 2 light stands, can be had for $169 on Amazon. I've been using them for almost a year now and have had absolutely no problems with them. Really enjoy using them because they are so consistent and don't require a lot of fiddling once you get them set the way you want. That's it for this MacVoices briefing. I'm Chuck Joyner. We'll be back with more soon. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page, and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices Magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you MacVoices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.